Welcome to Starkville, Mississippi's college town virtual walking tour, where we're exploring the heart of Starkville, one district at a time. From historic neighborhoods to vibrant downtown streets, there's so much to discover. Step into Midtown for a 0.3-mile walk connecting the Cotton District to Main Street, and discover one of Starkville's most charming and welcoming corridors along the way. Midtown may be compact, but it's rich with personality. The right restaurant or hangout spot is only feet away, no matter where you stop. Whether you're in the mood for a laid-back lunch or an afternoon coffee break, Midtown makes it easy to settle in and enjoy. Art lovers and curious wanderers will find plenty to explore as well. Unique murals, unique businesses, and an additional entry point into Fire Station Park all make Midtown a neighborhood worth slowing down for. Midtown ends at the entrance of the Starkville Public Library, where the community gathers to learn, read, and enjoy activities for all ages. It's a fitting final landmark, a place that, like Midtown itself, belongs to everyone and always has something to offer. Full of character, flavor, and community at every step. From Russell Street to the Cotton District, Midtown and Main Street, our town has something for everyone. Plan your visit today at starkville.org. This project is supported in part by funding from the Mississippi Main Street Association.